Hi, I'm Ashikur Rahman. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll teach you how to rectify a trial balance by placing a suspense account. So let's get started. Okay, look at here. Mira prepared a trial balance using the following information on 31st March 2015. The trial balance is failed to balance. That means when Mira tried to prepare a trial balance, it was not balanced. Okay, these are the informations given, and what is said in the question? Prepare the trial balance at 31st March 2015, including an appropriate balancing entry. Okay, so what is this balancing entry? I'll show you here in this trial balance. Okay, so this question actually taken from Cambridge O-level accounting past papers. Okay, so see how to do it. Already I listed these items here in the trial balance, and you know this is the trial balance format. It has 5 columns. First one is for number. Okay, here you have to insert folio. You know folio means the reference number. Okay, then you need to write here debit amount. Okay, so write here debit and $sign. Here also credit amount and insert the $sign. Okay, so we will now prepare this trial balance by including an appropriate balancing figure. Okay, sorry, balancing account. First one is office fixtures at cost $18,000. So already you know office fixtures is an asset. It's a non-current asset, and asset always comes in the debit side. Okay, so right here in the debit column $18,000. Okay, next one you have office fixtures provision. Okay, provision for depreciation. Okay, provision of all kinds will come in the credit side because it is a liability and it is a reserve for future. Okay, so it is $7,200. we have to write on the credit side, so write $7,200. Okay, then what you have? Trade payables. You know trade payables are current liability. Yeah, liability comes credit side. Okay, so right here 5,400 on the credit column. Okay, so what is next? General expenses prepaid. Prepaid means advance. Okay, you paid expense in advance, so it's an asset you paid in advance. Other receivable. Okay, so it will come in the debit side. So insert this amount on the debit column 1,520. Okay, then we have trade receivables. What is it? 3,700. What is trade receivable? If you say it is a current asset, you are correct. So asset comes in the debit side. So write in the debit column 3,700. Okay. By the way, I have several videos on trial balance, like how to prepare a trial balance, how to correct trial balance if it is imbalanced, what type of question answers you should learn for this trial balance chapter. So I'll link to this playlist in the I button. You can watch it. Okay, this will help you to understand trial balance. Okay, so what we have next? It is inventory. Yeah, inventory is 7,800. You know, inventory is a current asset. Yeah, current asset comes in debit side. Yeah, so right here in the debit column 7,800. Okay, great. Next one is we have bank overdraft, which is 2,600. What is bank overdraft? It's a current liability. Yeah, liability comes in the credit side. So write liability, bank overdraft, 2600 in the credit column. Okay, next one is capital. So already you know capital is credited, yeah, it comes in the credit side. So what is capital? Resources supplied by the owner to the business will be your capital, yeah. Capital is also called owner's equity, okay. So 16,000 you write on the credit column. Yeah, we entered all these items in the trial balance here. Now we have to sum up, we have to check. Look at here, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 items in the debit side and 4 items, provision for depreciation, trade payable and bank overdraft, capital. These items in the credit column, okay. Now if we get same answer this both column, then you are correct. That means this trial balance is prepared correctly. If it is not balanced, then something you need to insert, okay, new account to be added here. Okay, now take your calculator, check how much comes. If you add, it will be what? 31,200, yeah. So here 31,200, okay, if you sum up this column. Okay, so same amount must be here in the debit column, 31,200, okay. But if you add this amount, then it is not 31,200, okay. So although you wrote all these items correctly, you have no mistake, but these amounts are not correct here. Your amount is here 31,020, okay. Here you have 31,020, but here you have 31,200, okay. So what to do now? Check how much difference. If you subtract from here 31,200, then what is the difference? Your difference amount is 180. Okay, so we need to do something with this 180. So what to do now? Yes, when you write everything correctly, your items are correct, your addition is correct, your amount, the amount you write here, this everything correct, but it is not balancing. This trial balance is imbalanced. In this case, you need to enter another account to balance the trial balance for a certain period of time. Okay, later you can check, you can verify what is the mistake. Your business can verify the mistake later, but for the period of time you need to balance the trial balance. Why? Because after this trial balance, income statement and statement of financial position will be prepared, okay, for future decision of the business, or to check the profit and loss of the business, to see the asset and liabilities of the business, okay. So what to do? What account we need to enter? When you see that your trial balance is not balancing, but you are correct with all the items, then you have to enter one more account. That account is called what? If you say it is suspense, okay, suspense, you are correct. Okay, great. So suspense, so which column you need to write here? This column or this column? So here your amount is correct, 31,200. So you have $180 less. So you have to put the put this amount in debit column, because you have less amount, okay, in the debit column. For this $180 in debit column, your trial balance is imbalanced. So now you can understand that a suspense account is actually to rectify the trial balance for a specific period of time, okay, until you can discover the mistake is happened in the previous accounts. Okay, so this is how you need to extract a suspense account in the trial balance when it is imbalanced, okay. So I hope you understood and you learned how to insert a suspense account in the trial balance. And then for more new videos, please subscribe my channel I have so many videos on my channel you can check out, and if you think that this video is helpful, please share with your friends. Okay, and that's all. See you soon. Bye bye. Take care.